This video demonstrates how to clean your VFD. Cleaning your VFD is critical in maintaining not only the warranty, but also the longevity and performance of your Vacutech system. Before you begin, ensure your system is off, locked out, and tagged out. To complete this task, you will need the following items. Do not use compressed shop air as it is too powerful and could damage the VFD. Begin by unscrewing and removing the faceplate of the VFD. Disconnect the keypad by disconnecting the Rapid Connect fitting. Using an amp meter or an amp test tool, verify there is no power at the VFD. Use a can of compressed cleaning air to blow dust and contaminants out of the box. Blow from the sides, back, top, and bottom. Reconnect the Quick Connect fitting for the keypad. Attach the faceplate and turn the VFD on. Make sure your cooling fans are working. Be sure to replace the VFD enclosure filter if equipped, to ensure proper airflow and cooling. Your VFD is now clean. Do this regularly as it is part of the VFD warranty. If you have any questions about your Vacutech system, please visit www.vacutechllc.com or call 1-800-917-9444.